guys, it's Dice here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I was just like, you know what, we always do like all matte makeup looks, or we always do makeup looks with matte and shimmer, and I know this is like obviously like a big no-no in the makeup industry, and I never did this before, and I honestly don't think it's gonna look that good. But in today's video, we're going to be doing our eyeshadow with all shimmer shadows. So basically, like, all the colors in the crease are gonna be shimmer, the shadows on the lid are gonna be shimmer. Everything that you see on the eyeshadow is going to be shimmer. Like I said, I never did this before because it's just a big no-no in the makeup industry, and honestly I don't know how good it's gonna blend. I don't know how good it's gonna layer with different colors and all that good stuff, but yeah, I think it will be interesting. So if you guys want to see me do my eyeshadow with all shimmer shadows, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, I'm first just gonna prime my eyes with some Makeup Revolution concealer. I feel like I should probably zoom it in because this video's main focus is like eyeshadow, and I really want to see what it looks like with shimmer. Obviously that's the point of it, and I want to see like what kind of crazy, I mean, I don't think it's gonna do some crazy reaction. I just wonder how it's gonna blend. So yeah, let's zoom this in a little bit more so we can all experience the weird shimmer blend together. Okay, I hope it's in focus because I do everything by myself. I want to get like a, I don't know, something that I can see, and in the monitor it looks focused, but in my last video I literally, there was this one clip that was like a little bit out of focus. So if this is a little bit out of focus, I'm sorry. I just hope it's not, because I have to like get up, focus it, and then like look, and from a distance it looks good, but who knows. But anyways, yeah, let's just get started. So I got a bunch of, I'm gonna be doing like a brown eyeshadow look, just because like recently I've been doing a lot of color, and I was like, you know what, that's kind of my like thing now. Like, I don't remember the last video that I did that had eyeshadow in it that wasn't colorful, so I was like, I'm just gonna do like a neutral eyeshadow look. And honestly, if I did colors and all shimmer shades, like that's too many crazy things happening at one time. So we just gonna do browns and neutrals. So I got the Warrior palette by Juvia's Place because they have some nice shimmer browns. I mean, it's like they look gold obviously because it's shimmery. And then I also got the Violet Voss Ride or Die palette because this has some nice browns and darker browns that are like shimmer. I don't think, just so you guys know, I don't think that this look is going to turn out that great, just so you guys know. And I also have the EYN Bright palette. So these are like the palettes that we're going to be working with. I'm nervous. So first I'm just going to take the Morphe M504, and we're going to go into the middle shade at the bottom of the Warrior palette, which is like a gold shimmery, but honestly if it wasn't shimmery it'd be like a light brown. And I'm just going to start putting that into the crease. Oh my god. I hope you guys will be able to like see these colors, because sometimes you can't really see shimmer shades. I might need to zoom it in even more. Okay, now I'm gonna take the color next to it and just put that into the crease. Kind of like a burgundy burnt orange shade. Do you guys see that? It looks, honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I think because the thing with shimmer shades is they just like go on top of each other. Like, you blend them out but they just go on top of each other, if that makes sense, because there's pigment but mostly shimmer, if that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Violet Voss Ride or Die, and I'm going to take Stephanie. You call her Stephanie? I'll call her Stephanie. Okay, I'm going to take Stephanie and put that into the crease as well. And I'm also going to put it on the outer part of the eye and just kind of blend that out a little bit. Give it a little, wing it out a little bit. But honestly, from what I'm looking at on the camera, it kind of looks cute. I mean, on the monitor. On camera, on the monitor, it don't look that bad, but in person it looks like a train wreck. Okay, and we're gonna take Rachel, put that in the crease. We're gonna take Rachel and dip into Natalie, which is like a black. Alright, let's cut the crease really quickly. Okay, you know what? Instead of like, I might call this the reverse eyeshadow look, because I feel like I want to do matte on the lid just to like really emphasize the glitter in the crease. So I'm gonna take this color from the Warrior palette, which is like a matte cream shade, and we're gonna set the cut crease with that. I feel like where I cut the crease, it kind of took away the darkness, so we're gonna add some more of Rachel and a dab of Natalie back into the crease. I'm also going to take those two colors and just blend out the shade. Blend out the crease. Oh my goodness, blend out the end of the cut crease. Now I'm just going to do some liner just because like I usually do liner to like conceal the lashes. I won't do like a wing or anything, just like to conceal the lash band. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation and all that good stuff. Yeah, then I guess I'll come back for the under eye. It might just be, it's just gonna be like the same thing as the top. But yeah, I'm gonna do my foundation. Yeah, come back. Something about my foundation doesn't look good today, so just ignore that. But yeah, this was an interesting experience to say the least. It really doesn't look that bad from a distance, and honestly up close it doesn't look that bad either. It just looks like you made a mistake somewhere along your makeup journey. Like something didn't turn out the way you wanted it, but it doesn't look that bad. So moral of the story, if you forget, if and only if you are in a dire situation where you feel like you need eyeshadow, which is usually never, but if you are in a dire situation where you feel like you need eyeshadow and you happen to forget a matte eyeshadow palette, or the eyeshadow palette that you have has no matte whatsoever, then I feel like you could probably do an eye look, an all eye look, like with blending and all that stuff with shimmer. Like it doesn't look that bad, but I wouldn't do it if I had matte shadows, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's my hot take on the issue. I mean, you guys can try this out if you want to see what it looks like. Like I was saying, it doesn't look that bad, but I don't think I would do it again. Honestly, you know what, I probably would do it if it wasn't like a dire situation like I just said. Maybe for like pictures, because I feel like this shimmer looks really good from different directions and angles, and maybe like with the flash I feel like it might look pretty. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. I'll do a close-up so you guys can see all the shimmery goodness and all that good stuff. Let me know what you guys think down below, if I should make this my signature eyeshadow look, just start blending with shimmers, or if I should stick with matte shadows. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be in the description box down below. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.